Long ago, in a quiet village by a river, there lived a boy named Covey. Covey's parents had died when he was very young. He lived with his old grandmother, who always told him, "Life is hard, Covey, but strength comes from patience." Covey felt lonely, and he wanted to be strong, but he did not know how. One day, the village elder gave him a large stone. "Take this stone to the river every day," he said. "Drop it into the water and watch." Covey felt sad. "How can a stone help me feel better?" he whispered. But he obeyed. At first, the stone was too heavy. His hands bled, and some days he cried by the river, thinking, "Maybe I am too weak. Maybe I will never be strong." But the river never stopped flowing. It moved slowly, patiently, carrying stones and leaves along. After many months, Covey could carry the stone easily, but the greatest change was inside him. He had learned patience, courage, and quiet strength. One evening, he whispered to the river, "Thank you for teaching me to keep going, even when my heart feels heavy." Covey understood. Life may be sad and lonely, but small, patient efforts can turn pain into strength.